I'm Amy Jo Osborne. I serve as the president and co-founder of the Austin Hatcher Foundation for Pediatric Cancer. The Austin Hatcher Foundation has been a SEMA member for almost 15 years, and in that, as everyone knows in the industry, it's like a family. 2 years ago, right before COVID hit, we were at SEMA on the floor making our rounds as a SEMA Cares Charity, and came across a gentleman in the elevator, and come to find out, it's the CEO of SATA German Engineering, nicest gentleman, Mr. Cruz. The industrial arts director and I, Jonathan Myron, went to the booth, said hello, and from that they got to learn all about our mission, what we do with our industrial arts program. Building these relationships and family is how we're able to build our mission here at the Austin Hatcher Foundation. This Factory 5 Coupe was purchased as a part of the Industrial Arts Therapy Division. This division was created to introduce a STEAM-based trade to children of all ages while treating and improving coordination deficits, memory loss, learning deficits, and more that may have resulted from their childhood cancer journey. It's been fun over the last several months to watch our families, kids turning wrenches, to learn how to build a vehicle from ground up. This Factory 5 kit car was something that our kids got to see it come in boxes in all different ways, and then all of a sudden come to fruition and have it be unveiled here at SEMA. So of course this build would not be possible without our friends at SATA German Engineering for funding this entire build. Of course our partners at Factory 5, Ford Performance Parts for our amazing engine, and Detroit Steel Wheels. We would also like to thank Fully Loaded Interior, top-notch powder coating, Greg Cunningham, our Industrial Arts Director, Jonathan Myron, and lastly, Flea's Color Factory. This custom paint job was done by Sicken Product, donated by Bird's Automotive using a SATA jet spray gun.
My name is Jörg Göttling. I'm the head of export at SATA GmbH in Convestheim, Germany, close to the city of Stuttgart. SATA is a leading manufacturer in the field of wet application of paint, distributing its products into over 100 countries worldwide. Now the car that we have helped sponsor for the Austin Hatcher Foundation is a Gen 3 Factory 5 accurate replica of the 1965 Daytona Coupe, featuring a Ford Performance 5.0 liter engine with 460 horsepower. It is one of the most unique and stunning shapes in automotive history. Even more than 50 years later, the muscular lines and aggressive stance has no equal. From what I've seen on photos, the Austin Hatcher Foundation has created a gorgeous car with a great paint job and fantastic looking leather interiors. I guess it must be really mind-blowing when you stand in front of the actual car itself. Actually, it is quite a weird story how our involvement with the Austin Hatcher Foundation got all started. It was during the SEMA show some years ago when our CEO, Mr. Albrecht Kruse, kind of bumped into the chairman of the board and co-founder of the Austin Hatcher Foundation, Mr. James M. Osborne, in the elevator down to the hotel lobby on their way over to the SEMA show in the morning. They got into a discussion of what they're doing in life and why they were attending the SEMA show. And this is how we at SATA learned for the first time about the existence of the Austin Hatcher Foundation and the great cause they are committed to. Since SATA, as I explained before, has a long tradition of supporting projects aiming to help the less fortunate and privileged ones at home and abroad with their annual Christmas donations, it sounded like a fantastic opportunity to get involved with the Austin Hatcher Foundation and their mission to help childhood cancer patients and their families in such an extremely testing and emotionally challenging moment in life. So 2 years back, we made a first smaller contribution to the work of the Austin Hatcher Foundation before deciding in 2021 to become the main sponsor of the 1965 Daytona Coupe project. It all started with an elevator pitch.